Hi folks, welcome back to our channel where we give you the tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe.
And I'm Delina.
And we're going to go over some questions that from somebody in the field has asked you, can we do this, some kind of design on a master bath. So what was the question that you were?
Okay, so the question today is she wants a barn door in her master bath. So she wants to know if she can take off the existing door and put a barn door, if the sizing, or how it works. How do we install something like that, or if we can?
Yeah, you can. Barn doors really aesthetically are beautiful,
Mm-hmm.
So putting them on the entry to a bathroom can be a really good idea. There's some things to keep in mind. When you put in a barn door, you probably take all the framework off where the door is now and then drywall that. And then you will need to go in and put some blocking on the outside for the track for the barn door to be able to swing on. So that's a little bit of work on the outside of the bathroom. And so there'll be drywall painting and that kind of work on the outside. The blocking is really important to make it strong. The barn door will be aesthetically pleasing, but it doesn't do a good job of preventing the light from coming out. So in a master bedroom, maybe one person is in there getting ready where the other's sleeping. Doesn't do a good job of blocking the noise and the light from being in that bathroom. Those are the main cons for doing it, but it's beautiful look. Also got to remember you need twice the distance of the door for it to slide on.
Oh yeah, that's.
So sometimes people have a dresser or maybe an outlet that's in the way. So you have a lot of things to think about.
What's that distance? Like 6 foot or something?
Yeah, so if you have a 30-inch door, you're going to need another 30 inches for the barn door to slide past. So you probably need at least 5 feet for a barn door, but maybe up to 6 or 7 for the whole track. All right?
I like it.
All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe and go to tampakitchenandbath.com for more information.
Bye.